The Austin NOAA Weather Radio Roundup. At 4 a.m. at Austin Bergstrom, light rain and fog were reported. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Blanco County, central Gillespie County, southeastern Llano County, until 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:59 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tividale, or 11 miles north of Kerrville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Kingsland, Round Mountain, Horseshoe Bay, Johnson City, Stonewall, Blowout, King City, Tividale, Sandy, Willow City, Rocky Hill, LBJ State Park, Rocky Creek, High, Blumenthal, Eckerd, Crabapple, Sunrise Beach Village, and LBJ National Historical Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The Austin NOAA Weather Radio Roundup. At 4 a.m. at Austin Bergstrom, light rain and fog were reported.